So next, let us look at some sample questions. Find 3 consecutive largest positive integers such that the sum of 1/3 of the first and 1/4 of the second and 1/5 of the third is at most 20. एक word question है. You're asked to find 3 consecutive positive integers which are largest by nature, such that some condition is satisfied. So मैं बोलता हूँ let the numbers required be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2 ले सकता हूँ, because I want consecutive positive integers. अगर पहला वाला positive integer को x लिया तो next integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2, right? And according to the problem क्या होना चाहिए? 1/3 of the first, sum of 1/3 of the first and 1/4 of the second and 1/5 of the third should be at most 20. इसका मतलब है should be less than or equal to 20. 20 से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 20 तक जा सकते हैं. इसका मतलब 20 or less than 20. So if you solve this inequality, आप ध्यान से देखा तो the LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is 60. So 3 20s are, so x के प्लेस में 20x आएगा. 4 15s are, so 15x plus 15 आ रहे हैं. 5 12s are 60. 12 into x plus 2 is 12x plus 24 is less than or equal to 20. This implies 20x plus 15x, 35x plus 12x, 47x plus 39 by 60 is less than or equal to 20, which implies 47x plus 39 is less than or equal to, cross multiplication हुआ तो 1200, which implies 47x is less than or equal to 1200 minus 39, which implies x is less than or equal to 1200 minus 39 कितना होगा? 1161 divided by 47. So x should be less than 1161 divided by 47. कुछ नंबर से छोटा होना चाहिए. So ये नंबर क्या है? Let us try to understand. So 1161 divided by 47. 2s are कितना? 94. 2 2 1. So 47 into 4s are 8. 2 4 4 16. 18 188, and 11 minus 8 is 3, so 33 is the remainder. So this implies x should be less than or equal to 24 and 33 by 47. That is, x is less than or equal to 24 point something. So x can be any number which is less than or equal to 24 point something. But you are asked to find a solution in positive integers. इसका मतलब है मेरा replacement set जो है इस question का वो integers है. So 24 point something से छोटा सारा integers consider कर लीजिए. उसमें हमको largest चाहिए. So largest possible value of x is कितना? 24 होगा ना. 24 पॉइंट समथिंग से छोटा इंटीजर्स कंसिडर किया तो उसमें सबसे बड़ा 24 ही होगा. सो दिस इंप्लाइज द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर्स आर 24, 25 and 26. So these are the required numbers. So यही क्वेश्चन में find the largest consecutive positive odd integers जैसा भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. So अगर वो क्वेश्चन है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, x प्लस 2 x प्लस 3 x प्लस 2 x प्लस 4 लेना पड़ेगा. टेकिंग x एज ए odd integer, we have to take the next consecutive odd integer as x plus 2 and the next odd integer as x plus 4. और consecutive even बोला तो डिफरेंस जो है आप 2 बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. consecutive numbers है तो x plus 1 x plus 2. consecutive odd numbers x plus 2 x plus 4. डिफरेंस समझ में आ रहा है? So that is where the assumption varies depending on the information given in the question. So next question देखेंगे. Solve 2y plus 3 is less than y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7 and this double inequality है. So 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7. So how do you solve a double inequality? Separately. This is the first inequality, this is the second inequality. So first 2y minus 3 is less than y plus 1. So 2y minus y is less than 3 plus 1. So y is less than 4. And y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7. y को उस तरफ भेज दीजिए, 7 को इस तरफ भेज दीजिए. Minus 7 plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y minus y. So minus 6 less than or equal to 3y. So 3 पॉजिटिव को इस तरफ लेके आइए, कोई बात नहीं है. So minus 6 by 3. So y is greater than or equal to minus 2. So first solution says that it should be less than 4. Second solution says that it is greater than or equal to minus 2. So what is the combined solution? So रियल नंबर लाइन में एक 4 है, एक -2 है. एक सॉल्यूशन बोल रहे हैं 2 से ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू होना चाहिए. सेकेंड सॉल्यूशन इज सेइंग इट शुड बी स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन 4. सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन सॉल्यूशन? y is in between -2 to 4. -2 हो सकता है बट 4 नहीं हो सकता है बिकॉज 4 इज नॉट कॉमन. Numbers between -2 and 4 are common, but -2 is not there. Sorry, -2 is there in both, so intersection में भी -2 होगा. 4 is not there in both, so 4 नहीं आएगा. So I hope you understand how to solve combined inequalities. So next question भी exactly same process से आप solve कर सकते हैं. So let's go to the next question. Minus x by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 minus 8 by 6 less than x by 6. Similar question है, just fractions है. First आप यहाँ जाइए. So minus x by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 minus 8 by 6 is 4 by 3. Send this onto this side and minus 4 by 3 onto that side. 4 by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 plus x by 3. 4 by 3 less than or equal to 5x by 6. Cross multiplication. So x उस तरफ भेज दीजिए, x इस तरफ रख लीजिए. 6 by 5 को उस तरफ भेज दीजिए. 4 by 3 into 6 divided by 5. 2s are. So x is greater than or equal to 8 by 5. That's the first part. Let us solve the second part. And x by 2 minus 8 by 6 is less than x by 6. X by 2 minus x by 6 is less than minus 8 by 6 उस तरफ गया तो plus 4 by 3. Okay. 3x by 6 minus x by 6, 2x by 6 is less than 4 by 3. So ये 3 cancel हो गया. X is less than 4. So 8 by 5, something like 1.6. So one solution says that x should be greater than or equal to 8 by 5. The next solution says that x should be strictly less than 4. So what is the common solution? The common solution is x is in between 8 by 5 and 4. 8 by 5 और 4 के बीच में होना चाहिए. Is it clear? So the solution set is x such that x belongs to R and 8 by 5 less than or equal to x less than 4. So I hope you understand this question. So that completes your chapter of linear inequations. So after listening to the lecture, you have to try to solve the questions in your textbook. If you have any doubts, you can come back to us. Thank you.